So let's work this problem out. The question, you have 312,000, or you want to have 312,000 in 24 years, right? And ask you how much money should be deposited at end of monthly in an investment plan, pays 5.8% compound monthly. So you will have that much money in 34 years. All right, so this is a saving annuity type of problem. Agree? Right? That's because we deposit money into a account and then for future use. Okay, so this is a saving annuity. Saving annuity formula, okay, we can find it from the book or the notes. That's FV equals, and then long fraction line, payment, right? Payment times outer parentheses, inner parentheses, 1 plus R over K raised to NK power minus 1, right? And then close outer parentheses, and then divided by R over K. So now in this problem, future value is given, which is 312,000, and then payment, that is what we're looking for, right? If you read a question, how much money should you deposit it at end of the monthly? Okay, so payment is unknown quantity. That's what we're looking for. And then our interest rate, 5.8%, which is convert to decimal, is 0.058. And then K, because it's a monthly deposit, right? K equals 12. 1 year have 12 months. And then N represent the time, which is 34 years. Okay, that's how we identify the parameter values. All right. Okay, now the problem is left-hand side of this equation is future value, right? And then we're solving for the payment. Okay, so we have to derive a new formula for the payment. So how to do that? So if you notice this formula is payment multiplied by this divided by this, right? So in order to solve for the payment, both sides of equation, we need to divide it by parentheses, inner parentheses, 1 plus R over K, close inner parentheses, raised to NK power minus 1, close outer parentheses. Okay, both sides of the equation, we need to divide it by this. So right-hand side, okay, this cancel out, right? And then both sides of the equation, we need to multiply by R over K. Okay, multiply by R over K. Both sides of the equation, multiply or divide same number or expression, the new equation keep equivalent, right? So now R over K cancel out. That's why right-hand side, we only have payment, right? Left-hand side, okay, that's, we can switch around. That's the future value times R over K divided by this. Outer parentheses, inner parentheses, 1 plus R over K raised to NK power minus 1. Is that right? So we got the payment formula. Okay, let me rewrite it again. Payment equals fraction line, future value times R over K divided by outer parentheses, inner parentheses, 1 plus R over K raised to NK power minus 1, close outer parentheses. All right, and then we plug in the number we already have. Future value, that's 312,000 times R, that's 0.058 divided by 12, right? That's my numerator. Denominator, outer parentheses, inner parentheses, 1 plus 0.058 divided by 12 raised to NK power, which is 34, right? And it's 34, K times 12. Okay, and then minus 1, close outer parentheses. Okay, so put that into your own calculator and then you should get the result. Okay, I don't have a space here, so I write here that's equals $245.16. The money amount you always need to automatically round it to the nearest cents, so keep 2 decimal. Okay, after 6 I think is a number less than 5, that's why it's just dropped. Okay, that's how to do this problem. I hope that makes sense.